Shopify Capital offers funding to eligible merchants. Unlike traditional loans, there's no formal application you fill out. Instead, Shopify automatically evaluates your store based on its performance and other factors. How to check your eligibility. Log into your Shopify admin. Navigate to the Finance section. Click on Capital. If your store is eligible for funding, you'll see offers directly on this page. Shopify also typically sends an email notification. Key factors Shopify considers for eligibility. Shopify uses an automated underwriting model that analyzes various data points to determine eligibility and the funding amount. Here are the main factors. Sales performance. Consistent, strong sales history is crucial. Shopify looks at sales volume, frequency, and the number of orders over time. Store tenure. How long your store has been active on the Shopify platform. Generally, a minimum of 3 months of activity or having your first sale more than 3 months ago is a common requirement. Engagement with Shopify platform. Your active use of Shopify's tools, features, and services like Shopify Payments. Customer engagement. The level of interaction between customers and your store, including low refund rates and positive customer interactions. Payment and dispute history. A clean record with minimal chargebacks or payment disputes. And a good track record of repaying any previous Shopify Capital funding or other Shopify financial services. Compliance with Shopify's terms of service. Your store must be in good standing and not violate any Shopify terms or policies. Location. Shopify Capital is currently available to merchants in specific regions, primarily the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Important notes. No personal credit checks. Shopify Capital generally does not require a personal credit check. Invitation only. Eligibility is invitation-based. If you don't see an offer, your store is not currently eligible. Continual evaluation. Eligibility is continually evaluated and can change based on your store's ongoing performance.